Look whom we have got with us in our maths class today. We have got Alan. Now, one day, some of Alan's friends decided to go to his home to meet him. So they all went to his home to play with him. But sadly, by the time they reached Alan's home, they were very hungry. And this made them really sad. So Alan rushed straight to the kitchen and he got sweets for his friends. But he did not have enough sweets for all of them. So the friends of Alan who got sweets were happy again. But the ones who did not get any sweet were sad. So Alan decided to go to the market with his mother and get sweets for the remaining friends. So Alan went straight to the market with his mother. But there was one problem. He did not know how many friends have not got sweets yet. So he did not know how many sweets he should get from the market. So he asked his mother. His mother told him that, okay, Alan, I'll teach you how to count your friends. While they were going to the market, the mother pointed out at the round, bright sun shining beautifully in the sky. She asked Alan, how many sun do you see? Well, there is just one bright sun, and this is the number 1. So 1 bright sun, and this is the number 1. When they moved ahead, they saw some ducks near a pond. The mother again asked Alan, Alan, how many ducks do you see now? Well, let's see. 1, 2. There are 2 little ducks, and this is number 2. So 1, 2. There are 2 little ducks, and this number here is the number 2. After some time, what they saw was some cute little pigs. Can you see these pigs here? How many of them are here? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 little pigs, and this is the number 3. So this is how we represent these 3 little pigs with the number 3. Next, Alan saw some juicy jackfruits hanging from the branches of this tree. So again, he started counting. Let's see how many is he able to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 jackfruits, and this is number 4. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 jackfruits, and this is number 4. So Alan is very excited because he's learning how to count, right? He's learning numbers. He's learning how to count. So do you want to learn how to count? See, 1. This is number 1 for 1 bright sun. This is the number 2 for 2 little ducks. This is the number 3 for 3 pigs. And this is the number 4 for these 4 jackfruits. So Alan and you are learning how to count. Let's see what happens next. Next, Alan's mother told him to count the fingers of his hand. And Alan actually counted it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 fingers, and this is number 5. So try it with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers and represented by this number, which is 5. Next, they saw these cute little chicks in the field. Again, Alan started to count. So let's see how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. So next he saw 6 chicks playing in the field. And this is number 6. So these are 6 chicks and they are represented by this number. We use this number to denote 6. Again, Alan saw some of his friends playing in the garden. So let's count how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 of Alan's friends playing in the garden, and it is represented by this number 7. So 7 is this number, and these are 7 of Alan's friends. Going ahead, they saw a scary spider, and Alan's mother told him to count how many legs does the spider have. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The spider has 8 legs, and this is number 8. So this is how we denote 8. These are the 8 legs of the spider and denoted by this number 8. Finally, they reached the market and they got off the rickshaw. And Alan's mother gave some coins to the vehicle driver. So let's see how many coins are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 coins represented by this number 9. So these are 9 coins and we denote them using this number. So Alan was very happy because he knows now how to count. Yes, he has learned numbers till 9. So do you recall what are the numbers? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 very important numbers which we have learned today. And now this has also solved Alan's problem, because he now recalled that who all have not got sweets. So can you count and tell me how many of Alan's friends have not got any sweets? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of Alan's friends have not got any sweet and they are still hungry. So Alan decided to buy 5 sweets for them, and his problem was solved now because he learned numbers, he learned counting. So if you learn your numbers well, if you learn counting properly, then even you will be able to solve many problems. So always remember these 9 numbers. Make sure you practice them properly and you learn them very well. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.